Hey, what's up guys? This is the Alata 15-piece knife set. You get everything you need from an 8-inch chef's knife all the way down to a 3.5-inch paring knife, plus 6 steak knives, kitchen shears, and a honing steel, and it all fits in one block. So here's the honing steel. You just need a couple quick swipes to keep your edges sharp and keep your cut smooth. And this one's your 8-inch chef knife. It has a broad blade with a curved edge, and it's designed for chopping and slicing. It slices clean through apples, citrus, and even bagels. And here's the 8-inch bread knife with a long serrated edge. It saws cleanly through crust and bagels without crushing them. And this one's a 7-inch santoku knife. It's shorter and straighter with dimples that stop food from sticking. It's perfect for thin slices like for carrots and even for blueberries. This one's an 8-inch carving knife. It's slimmer and made for long, clean cuts. I used it to cut open this hot pocket, but it also works really good for fruit slices. And here's the 4.5-inch utility knife. It sits right between the chef's knife and the paring knife. It's good for everyday cutting jobs like slicing bananas into coins or prepping cheese in sandwiches. And here's a 3.5-inch paring knife. It's good for precision work like peeling, coring, and slicing oranges into wedges. You also get 6 4.75-inch steak knives. They're pretty mid-sized with serrated edges and designed to be your everyday table type knife. Here you can see I'm using it to shave apple wedges thinner than I did when I used the chef's knife. And you also get a cool pair of kitchen shears. These are really heavy duty and good scissors for food, herbs, and even packaging. You can see here that I'm using it to cut this hot pocket, but I've also used it to cut open beef packs. And what's really cool is that you can take it apart, which makes it really easy for cleaning. And the other thing I like is that it's all dishwasher safe. So when you're done with it, you just throw it in the dishwasher, take it out, and put it neatly back into the wood block that it came with. So if you're looking for a complete 15-piece set that's sharp, versatile, and easy to care for, this one covers all the basics.